Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best adult apps to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only around 5 minutes. And now, without any further ado, your first step will be getting the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can get downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and start typing downloader on the search bar. And now, as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you will click on it, and there's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader, you will need to go to settings on your Firestick by clicking this button with a gear icon. Then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. You open it, and in here you will have to turn on developer options for your Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps, and from here all you have to do is select downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV. Here it is. We open it, wait a moment, and now there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it is, of course, connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Finland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick device, locate downloader, and finally open it up on your Firestick. And now in downloader application, all you have to do is just open the search bar, and there in the search will be entering the codes. So the first code will be 307888. So once again, it is 307888. That's the code you have to enter. Then click on go, And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download has started. Usually takes only a couple of seconds to download the app. Then click install and make sure that the app gets fully installed to your Fire TV stick. So we just wait a bit for the app to install. And after that, after the app actually got installed on your Fire TV, don't click on open yet, instead click on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then you will go back to the list of applications on your Fire TV. And here at the bottom, the new app that we have downloaded will appear. So first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. You click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and totally anonymous online when using such applications. And just like that, we got the first amazing app to your device. And now we go straight back to the downloader and I'll show you how to get one more amazing app just like that to your Fire TV stick. So you go back to the downloader, open the search bar again, and now you start entering another code, which will be 863078. So once again, it's 863078. Hit that go button, and now the download of the second app should start. The process is pretty much the same as it was with the first application. And now the download has started. And then after the download is finished, we also have to click on install. And then on done, and make sure to delete unnecessary files from your device. Again, it's important. And now straight away we go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV stick. Open it here. Wait a moment for the list to load. And here's the second app that we got for you. So we put it up front as well. And today you got 2 amazing adult apps on your Fire TV stick. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.